Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning with a Difference. Today's news headlines for school morning assembly. Coronavirus live updates 2.34 lakh fresh COVID cases, positivity rises from 13.39% to 14.50%. Opposition likely to raise Pegasus farmers' issues in budget session. 5 dead, several injured after bus mows down bystanders in UP. TV actress Tejaswi Prakash is the winner of Bigg Boss 15. PM Modi comments Assam's efforts in reducing rhino poaching cases. And now news from the world. United Arab Emirates destroys Houthi missile for third time this month. US urges North Korea to join direct talks after missile test. Taliban to reopen Afghan public universities. No word on female students. Trump hints at pardons for those charged over US Capitol riot if re-elected. And now some sports news. Rafael Nadal beats Daniil Medvedev in Australian Open final to win record 21st Grand Slam title. One of the most emotional matches of my career. Rafael Nadal on historic win in Australian Open final. Japan, Korea, China, Philippines reach Women's Asian Cup semi-final, book World Cup tickets. And these were today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.